This video I will explain what is Agentic AI. Imagine you ask a Agentic AI, please book a movie ticket for me, pay for the ticket and send me the ticket. Agentic AI understands the goal, decides the steps, performs them and completes the task. This is the basic idea of Agentic AI. In case of normal computer program, it may only do one step. What does Agentic AI mean? Agentic AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can understand a goal, make decisions, plan steps, take actions, check results, and continue working until the task is completed. The word agentic comes from the word agent. An agent is something that can act on behalf of someone else. So agentic AI means AI that can act like an intelligent assistant and performs tasks to achieve a goal. What is the difference between traditional AI and agentic AI? First, we will see traditional AI. Traditional AI usually waits for instruction. For example, you ask, what is the weather today? The AI gives the answer and stops. Now we will see agentic AI. Agentic AI can continue working. For example, you say, plan my weekend trip. The agentic AI check the weather, find places to visit, suggest hotels, create a travel plan, estimate the budget. Agentic AI works towards the final goal. Now we will see how does agentic AI work. Step 1. Understand the goal. AI first understands what the user wants. For example, help me buy a laptop under 50,000 rupees. Step 2. Make a plan. The AI decides what needs to be done. It may search laptops, compare features, check prices, and select good options. Step 3. Take actions. The AI performs the required task. These actions may include searching information, comparing data, filling forms, and sending reminders. Step 4. Check the result. The AI verifies whether the goal is completed. If the goal is not completed, it continues working. Now we will see the real life example, personal assistant. Imagine you tell an assistant, book my train ticket. The assistant checks the available trains, compares the prices, selects seats, makes payment, and sends the ticket. This is similar to how agentic AI works. Next real life example, food delivery. Imagine you say, order a pizza for dinner. An agentic AI could find nearby restaurants, compare prices, choose the best option, place the order, and track the delivery. The AI does not stop after the first step. Next real life example, office work. Suppose a manager says, prepare a weekly sales report. Agentic AI can collect sales data, create charts, write the summary, and send the report. This saves time. Now we will see important characteristics of agentic AI. First one, goal oriented. Agentic AI works toward achieving a goal. Second one, decision making. Agentic AI chooses what action to take next. Third one, planning. Agentic AI breaks large tasks into smaller steps. Fourth one, autonomy. Autonomy means working independently. The AI can perform tasks with less human guidance. Fifth one, learning from results. The AI can check outcomes and improve future actions. Where agentic AI is used. Agentic AI is becoming useful in many areas. First one, customer support. AI agents answer questions and solve problems. Second one, healthcare. AI helps schedule appointments and manage records. Third one, banking. AI can monitor transactions and provide assistance. Fourth one, shopping. AI recommends products and compares prices. Fifth one, software development. AI can write code, test programs, and fix errors. Sixth one, personal productivity. AI can manage schedules, reminders, and tasks. Now the question is agentic AI different from chatbots? The answer is yes. A normal chatbot mainly answers questions. An agentic AI can understand goals, make plans, perform actions, and complete tasks. Agentic AI acts like a digital assistant. What are the advantages of agentic AI? Saves time, reduces manual work, handle multiple tasks, makes decision quickly, improves productivity, works continuously towards a goal. What are the challenges of agentic AI? Wrong decisions can happen. Human supervision may still be needed. Privacy and security must be protected. Complex tasks can be difficult. Because of this, people often review important decisions made by AI. Now we will see the simple analogy. Think about two people. To the person one, you say buy a milk. The person asks which shop, which brand, and how many packets. They need instructions for every step. To the person two, you say buy milk for tomorrow morning. The person choose a nearby shop, buy the correct quantity, bring milk home. The second person behaves like a agentic AI. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.